Alright, on my way to heliport. Got myself a little cold breakfast with some sandwiches and stuff. And yeah, sun is shining. The cool thing is that most of these places here is covered with these roofs when you go to the heliport. So, in case of rain. And up there is the guys that are gonna make sure that I can actually go to work, or at least give the green signal for liftoff. There is Shopper Terminal. So now I just gotta check in and make sure that everything is green, and I'll see you out there later. There we can see all the flights. And I guess I'm first. Got some people down there checking in now. It's way too early, but it's a nice day. Sun is out and life is good.